Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about Python class inheritance in network automation. What is inheritance? Inheritance is a core concept in object-oriented programming where a child class inherits attributes and methods from a parent class. This allows code reuse and a clear hierarchical structure, making it easier to manage common behavior across multiple device types. Okay, in this example, we're going to create a parent class for network devices and a child class for Cisco devices. Okay, so I've got steps here. So step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 steps. Let's talk about step 1. Step 1 is this is where you import required modules. So we are importing netmiko and datetime modules. Okay, and step number 2 is this is how you define the parent class. So the parent class is network device, and this is how, it's got this init method, right? And it's got this collect version info method, which is what is used for connection to the device and issuing this command here. Okay, and also saving the file, a file with this file name here. Okay, and step number 3 is this how you create child class for network or for Cisco devices. So we notice that, yeah, this is the name of the parent class, right? Network device. And this is the name of the Cisco, this is the name of the child class. So Cisco telnet device. And we notice here that we pass in the network device. We pass in the parent class network device. Okay, and we have this usual init method, but here we are calling the parent init method, and you can actually just also type, instead of super, you can also type the name of the class. So same is, both are acceptable, but using the super keyword or function is best practice. Okay, and step number 4 is this is how you initiate device objects. Instantiate or create device objects. Okay, so here we got device 1, and we are passing in the host name, this, which is device 1. And then we got device 2, and we are passing in this host name. Okay, so this is how you instantiate objects, in this case device objects, and this is how you run the method to collect version info or just info. Okay, so those are the steps. So again, step 1 is this is how you import the modules, and step 2 is this is where you define the parent class. So you got the method, the init method and the collect version info method, which is used to connect to the devices and save the files. And then step 3, this is where you create the child class for Cisco devices. In this case, the name of the child class is Cisco telnet device, and you pass in the parent class, which is network device. And we are also using the super. So basically what we are doing here is we are passing in the host name into this, and then the username into this, and there we are using this default Cisco iOS telnet as the device type. And again, this is how we instantiate network devices, network objects, and this is how we run the method to collect info. Okay, so let me go ahead and run this and see if it works. Okay, looks like it worked. So let me just go to the print statement. So show version, info saved. So this is the host name, device 1. And then this is the name of the file or the file name. Same with host name or device 2. show version info saved for device 2, right, is here with this host name, which is this host name, and this is the file name. So this is the output actually. So reveal in file folder, and this is where we see the output. So I tested this already, so I mean, I know that it works. All right, so that's how you can use class inheritance in network automation. All right, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.